Hey everybody, welcome back to another edition of Scare Rookie Productions Presents. What we have before us is my first attempt at a vampire killer kit. I've seen many of them online. There's some beautiful examples. People have put some amazing work into it. And I really want to build a very cool, very nice, authentic looking kit. So I know that I'm probably going to completely redo this, maybe even with a completely different case eventually. But I want to go through the exercise of just getting the experience and figuring things out so that when I do decide, if I decide to build a different one, a more elaborate one, I'll have a much better sense of what I want to do and how to do it. So what I basically did is I have some styrofoam pieces here. I have a hot wire kit, a foam factor hot wire kit. Love that kit. And products that I'm going to put in here. This kind of has some sentimental value. This is an interior decoration for my home. And so I thought it'd be a cool way to display some family heirlooms that I received from my parents. So I basically going to have a big knife. That's so you can decapitate a vampire. This is a Bowie knife. It's a real knife. High quality that my mom gave my father for their 50th anniversary. This is a 45 caliber percussion pistol. This is a 45 caliber percussion pistol, but different models. These are both fully functional and were my dad's. These are just some accessories for the percussion pistol. It's your ramrod, gunpowder, and your cap filler. Crucifix will be here. And then up here are some areas that I'll have some glass bottles. These were antiques given to me from my mom. She's collects antiques. They used to be dealers. And then there's a place here for the Bible. That's my great-grandfather's Bible. He never went anywhere with that. It's a pocket Bible. Then it's a holy water container here. These are homemade spikes. You'll see later an antique mallet that I found, a place for a mirror, a place for the rosary, and then up here is a place for a large blade knife, pocket knife. This actually is my great-grandfather's hookbill knife that he never went anywhere without on my dad's side. So it's just a cool way to display some family heirlooms with multifunction of being interior home decoration. So what am I using for supplies? Again, styrofoam just cut out based on the thing. I bought this case on eBay. I wanted more early 20th century style. So when I think steampunk era, industrial revolution, back when businessmen would travel kind of like with a case like this. I haven't aged it yet, but I think I paid $40 online for it. It's a cool case. I like the color. So I have some spray-on adhesive. I originally started out with the squishy foam, like cushion foam. Did not like the way it sit in there. Moved around a little bit too much for me, and I didn't like the way the material laid on it. So we're going to go with a different kind of foam adhesive, but also a different material. This is more fleece base. I want something maybe a little more thick and feel. And I changed color. The original color was like a blood or a red, almost like a bourbon type red color. It just didn't have enough contrast, so we're going to go with this royal purple here. That looks something like a holy faction or a church may use to line holy items. Gonna have a measuring tape just around. These are upholstery tacks. I'm not probably use them on the inside, but I'm also going to have a chain that's connected from here to the top so it lays back and it holds it open for the display. So I picked up some chain, and then just of course a razor blade just to cut corners, those type of things. And then these are just like tools that I thought I might be able to use for, getting things lined up, getting it creased, getting it in there tight. Same with this. This is just actually just no brake adjustment wrench and just a small screwdriver. So that's what we got. So I will check in with you as soon as I have an update.